This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back. So once again, account payable, and that in account payable, you guys are practicing here transaction posting, document posting. I have explained in the previous session, right? And this is what you guys are doing right now, right? So in previous session, what I did, simple invoice I have posted, right? So if you have single invoice, you can post it very easily. If you're having multiple invoice, if you're having like several invoices, out of which you have to release payment of, you have to post payment against very few invoices, then what will happen? Some of you might be knowing this. This is a very simple things, but as I know, I have basically this video is the purpose of recording these videos and all. I'm considering all the beginners and freshers, keeping those people into mind. So for these people, for those people, there will be some challenges. They won't be able to understand how to select or how to, how I'm going to select the invoices and all. In the sense how they are going to select the invoices. I'll just do one thing, guys. Here, I'll post some invoices just for FB60. Sorry, FB60. So now here, I'll post few invoices. Let's suppose, since I'm having this GL itself right now, so use this GL itself, save it. Again, I'm going to post another invoice, same date, or even you can use different date also. I'm using different amounts. Okay, so that easily we will be able to identify, save it. So 5-6 invoices I'll be posting, guys. And here quickly I'm posting, guys, because in previous session already I have shown you that how to post the invoice. Okay, so 1200 this time, just save it. And again I'll post another invoice also, is okay, another invoice. And here's the amount, 3000. Save it. Here, let's suppose I'm going to post an invoice worth of 5000, and again 5000. Okay, and for this invoice, let's suppose, so you just do one thing, 5000. Save this. Now, so document number was 2005, right? And for this invoice, I'm going to post a credit memo. Okay, credit memo worth of, so vendor I have to give. Okay, here you need to give the date and press enter. So look at here, everything got changed. Or else even you can use the transaction code FB65. So this is how also you can post a credit memo, right? Now here give a vendor, and I'm going to post a credit memo worth of 2000. Okay, this credit memo, let's suppose this return or corrections, whatever you say, right? Return means return is going to be in case of goods, right? Let's suppose rent invoice we have received. So this is a kind of corrections. Instead of 3000, vendor has sent you invoice of 5000. That is already posted. Now we are going to reduce 2000 by posting a credit memo. Simply we are going to ask the confirmations from through email, right? Now, so you just post this 2000. And here the invoice got posted against which document number, guys? So document number was 2005. So here in narration you can specify credit memo for which document, 2005, and then save it. Now, so look at here, these many several invoices got posted. If you click, if you come here, if you come back here and click on refresh, right? So refresh means now, since I have selected here, click on back button. I have selected here all item. It means open item also will be there, guys, and cleared item also is there. Open item means what, guys? These invoices just we have posted what? We have posted the invoices only. but the payment is not made yet, right? And these are the cleared item. It means this is already invoice we have received and payment is also made. So these are the closed item, right? We have nothing to do with these things and all. Right now, whatever the open items are there, this is only our payables, right? And that too, whichever open items are there. So invoice minus credit memo is your payable, right? So this is total payable is. Okay. So now what is happening, guys? Now, if you have to post a payment here, use transaction code FDAS53 once again here / FDAS53, and let's suppose against two invoices. Okay, against two invoices. So let's suppose two invoices is like, say for example here, invoice number or document number 2002 and 3. These two invoices 1100 and 1200, right? And let's suppose, so invoice number or so-called document number, let's suppose you've forgotten the amount. While entering here, you've forgotten the amount, which amount is there, right? Here, since amount is there in round figure, 1100 and 1200, so I can come to know, or even you can also come to know that this is 2300. So easily you can put 2300, right? What will happen? Let's suppose if one invoice amount is this one, this much, and another invoice amount is this much. How you're going to, you have to add both amount, right? And then you can put here. So instead of adding, we are giving only one. It means ₹1 or $1, whatever your currency is there in that. So one I'm going to give, and here you can give your vendor. Press enter. So look at here, guys. Out of, so these many invoices are there. Out of which one credit memo is also there. This credit memo is against of this invoice. This against this invoice, this credit memo got posted. How you will come to know that this credit memo posted against this invoice? So in narration already we have specified, right? Check here, narration, somewhere it is already specified where it is KG. So is it not specified, guys? Why it is not appearing? Okay, so against the GL account we have specified the narrations, right? Generally upper side also header text or reference field was there. Okay, so I was supposed to, anyway, so here also I'm going to, you can double click here. So generally what is happening, guys, I was supposed to specify here, I was supposed to specify here so that it is going to appear. I have specified against GL account, that whatever that text field I have updated against GL account. No worries. So even here also we can double click here and you can edit, and here we can give, like, let's suppose credit memo for document number 2005. Save it. So now and refresh. So look at here, this credit memo for document number 2005 against this one, this credit memo got posted. This is how we will come to know. Now the transaction is, sorry, payment is going to be posted against which document? 2002 and 2003. So now here, come back. So I have given one. System has assigned 9,800, right? These all amount. Let's suppose as per system all become due. Okay, because even terms of payment also we are using 0001. So if you post the invoices immediately, it is going to be due. As I told you again, I'll repeat here. In the previous session also, I told you guys that terms of payment is going to be explained in upcoming sessions. So you guys will be having perfect understanding about these things. So don't worry. Right now, what is happening? System is saying that these all items, these many invoices are there. I have assigned only ₹1. System is saying that 9,800. But I don't want to make payment of all these invoices. I am saying that 2002 and 3. These two invoices only is going to be paid. So you just need to do one thing, guys. Click on here. So click on, first of all, select all. Already saw all selected. You just click on select all. So select all means, look at here, all become blue color. All become the blue color. And then you need to click on deactivate items. So deactivate here. So look at here, all become black color. So black color means not selected and blue color means selected. So now none of the invoices are selected, and this is why here assigned amount becomes 0. Now what to do? So I have to make payment against this one, double click here, and I have to make payment against this one, double click here also. So look at here, now 2300, and I have assigned only 1 rupees. So now what is happening? You need to click here. I'm going to change the amount and double click here on bank account. So here instead of 1, I'm going to make it 2300. Press enter, and you can click on process of an item. Yes. So again we came back. Now amount which I have entered is also 2300, and amount SAP has assigned is also 2300. It means if you have a look here, these two items are only highlighted, remaining items are not selected, right? And you can click on document if you want to see the accounting entry. Click on simulate. So look at here, the bank account is going to be credited and your vendor account is going to be debited with this much. Post it, and if you post it, now come back here and click on refresh. So now look at here this time. So now here what is happening, guys? This is the invoice here, and this is the invoice, and this is KJ's payment. So against these two invoice, what is happening, guys? This is the payment. How you will come to know that this 2300 got posted against these two invoices itself? Look at here, the clearing documents are same. 1013, 1013, 1013. It means these three items are relevant. These two invoices got cleared against this payment. So clearing document is same. These three items are relevant in the sense like this is the what to say, this one payment, this is the credit memo, this is the invoice, and at a time this got cleared, so same clearing number is there. 1012 against 3-line item and 1013 against this 3-line item, right? So this is how the multiple selects. If you are having multiple invoices, then against those invoices, if you want to make payment of very few invoices only, in that case you need to deactivate. First of all, better to deactivate all the invoices, and I'll show you once again. And let's suppose 1 rupees. Once again, give your give K here. Account type K stands for vendor, guys. Now look at here, so only 3. Right now, this time I'm going to make payment of this 5000, invoice number 2005. So you just do one thing, guys, double click on 1500 and double click on 3000. So even if you are going to double click on here also, by that also system is, if you double click here, it got selected. If you double click, it got deselected, right? So if less number of invoices are there, then manually you can double click on that. If 100 invoices are there and out of which you have to release payment of, or you have to post payment of only 2 invoices, in that case you need to click here, look at here, select all, and then you need to click on deactivate, and then I'm going to activate this 5000. So this is our invoice, but against this we have posted a credit memo also, so give here 2000, right? So what is the payment, guys? The payment is going to be released worth of 3000. And now there might be a question in your mind. Let's suppose at the time of posting payment, the user has forgotten. About this credit memo. This credit memo was not selected. So 5000 we have posted into SAP. Now what will happen, guys? So 2 things are there. Either you have to reverse this 5000 and then you have to repost the transactions, or else this 5000 is, let's suppose, posted, and based on this transaction posting, whatever the payment team is there, they have checked like, okay, this 5000 worth of transaction got posted today, so they are going to release the payment. Vendor got payment of 5000, and this 2000 open item, this 2000 credit memo is still there. So again, this is going to be part of dispute. Account payable team, this team is going to contact vendor and saying that by mistake this is what happened. So in that case, vendor will say that, okay, no issues, whatever the credit memo is there, you can adjust it against a different invoice also. Okay, so such kind of small things, guys, will keep on happen, and people are going to, they will make use of their mind and they are going to manage. So here this time 5,000 and this 2,000 credit memo is posted against this what to say invoice itself. So 3,000, right? 3,000 payment we are supposed to make. Here I have entered only 1 rupees, right? So you click here, change the amount, make it 3,000 here. Okay, click on process open item. So we came back. Now look at here, 3,000 we have also entered. System is also assigned here. If you want to check the accounting entries, simulate it and then you save it. So now this time what is happening, guys? This time if you come back and if you refresh, so this 5,000 is also gone, and along with this 2,000 is also gone, and this 3,000 payment we have made. And how you will come to know that all these three are relevant? So look at here, the clearing document number is 1014 14 14, right? This is how you'll come to know. So how much open items are there? We're having only 2 open items, right? This is how, guys, if you talk about this SAP and all, everything is easy only. It depends, like slowly, if all the things are going to be explained in details. Okay, slowly, you guys also proceed one by one. The way I'm proceeding and the sequence which I'm following, guys, the same sequence better you guys also follow. So that's all in this session, guys. Okay, in next tutorial, in next video again, the next topic is going to be explained.